This video gonna show you how to program a spare key for FEM system on BMW by using ACDP and FEM BDC interface board. It's always good to click help. Now you can check the FEM connection diagram. First of all, we need to remove the FEM module from the vehicle. FEM module is at the lower part of the A column and the passenger side. Now let's check all the stuff we need. We're gonna need FEM module, punch socket, FEM BDC interface board, 8-pin cable, 12-volt cable, 20-pin cable, OBP ICP adapter, ACDP holster, a work key and a blank key. Install the FEM BDC interface board. Connect the FEM BDC interface board with the FEM module with 12-volt cable. Connect the 8-pin cable with the punch socket. Loosen the cord of the socket. Reinstall the punch socket. Take the tips back. After confirming the correct direction, hold on the socket with left hand and tighten the socket with right hand. Connect the ACDP holster and the OBP ICP adapter. Connect the 8-pin cable to the adapter. Then connect the OBP ICP adapter and the FEM BDC interface board with 20-pin cable. Power on and prepare for app operation. Open the mini ACDP app. Choose BMW. Choose FEM BDC. Choose MMO Mile Age. Choose Model 1 Add Key. Choose FEM BDC Initial Programming Process. Choose Method 1 Automatic ACP Programming. Check the VIN number, mile age, and version information. Save the screenshot and click OK. Pin detection passed. If pin detection fails, please clean memory chip and reinstall the punch socket. Initial programming process finished. Back to the previous page. Click Program Key. Make sure you have work key, a blank new key, and finish FEM BDC initial programming process. Place the work key in the key induction coil and click OK. Check the key ID and the ISN code. Click OK. Choose any blank key channel for key learning. Remove the work key, put the blank key into the key induction coil, and click OK. Key programming complete. Check the new key has been successfully learned. After key learning, load the FEM module to verify the new key function. Thank you for watching. Hope this video is helpful to you.